If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Snoopsy-Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
This human child froze me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me with a giant hook. And...
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
My cool was out and on my birthday, I thought you heard about me.
Yeah, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
Radar is under observation. Decon unit in position. Spread out and lock it down. There's nothing down here. Deliver paperwork, number 1. Situation is Niner.
Paperwork and guns. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up. I've got most doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
Never find her door now.
Look, boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never let her home now.
Still go? Oh, no. Slam it.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
Mom,
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, boo.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.